Hi, my name is Jeff, your versatile, pleasant, and friendly English teacher. I am here to give you an exciting time learning an English language. I had a specialized training in communication with Cebu Call Center Academy and have 2 years experience in English tutorials. In my experience, I have learned to understand people's needs and weaknesses as well as their strengths, and by that I was able to communicate well with them. I love to see people when they're happy achieving with their goals, especially accompanied with hard work. I am also an internet savvy person, training on networking on one of the prestigious universities in Cebu. I also went to free online training in basic computer knowledge and networking as well. I read a lot and always seek to know more, especially on topics that are worthwhile. I always believe that with hard work and sheer determination, I can achieve significant goals in my life. And one of my goals is to impart my English communication skills to interested people just like you and teach you the most productive way as possible. So let us work hard together in learning the English language and achieve greater things together. Come, join into my class. See you.